Hello everyone. As we are continue with our composition part, so today we'll discuss the topic poster making. It's not a unknown topic. During various competitions, you might have prepared posters, but today we will discuss in detail how you can prepare eye-catching posters. Okay. So let's discuss the topic preparing posters. Here you can see two posters. One is related to this pandemic coronavirus only. So because of that we are being compelled to take on online classes. Okay. So what you need to prevent yourself. Okay. Wash your hands, use a tissue for coughs, avoid touching your face. Okay. And to how you can grow as a student and transform yourself into a better student, a better person, confident, responsible, reflective, innovative and engaged. So these are the posters. You can see how they convey the message. Okay, so let's learn how to prepare the posters. First, you must be interested to know what is a poster. Poster making is one of the creative mediums to attract people at public places or to create social awareness. Many a times you might have seen posters are being put up across the city if any gathering is there or any special person is coming to visit the city. Okay, and even sometimes rallies are being taken out and you might have seen people holding the posters in their hand or banners to create social awareness. Okay, even on the walls you might have seen, you must be visiting this Khengarji Park. Okay, might have seen on the walls. Okay, so what purpose the posters are being used? To make appeals and announcements, to issue notices, advertise products, to create public awareness, used by government departments and used by non-government organizations. So they are having various functions. That's why, and moreover this topic is being asked in the exams. So you must know how to make the posters. Okay. Even you might have seen they are being used by political parties during elections. When it is the time of elections, various posters you might have seen they are being put up across the city. Event organizers to announce their events when any event takes place, then also that posters are being put up by the event organizers. Sometimes nowadays more in practice when any film is going to be released. Before that, filmmakers release the poster of the film to create interest or to arouse interest of the general public. Okay, and where they are being put up? They are being put up either on the walls or the notice boards. Okay, now how you can prepare the better posters? You know what is a poster and for what purpose they are being used. Now before you are going to make the poster, what things you should take care of? Okay, points for better presentation. Posters have to be such that they attract attention of the viewers. Obviously you are making it for the viewers, so it must grab the attention of the viewers. Visuals like pictures and images are very important in a poster. You might have seen generally because pictures express more rather than the words. So make it more attractive and catchy. Images and pictures are being used. Pictures and letterings both play a role in ensuring the overall impact of a posters. Even the letter formations you might have seen, they are being used in a creative way, more decorative way to make the posters more attractive. There is no fixed format while making a poster. As you have the fixed format while writing the letters, so there is no fixed format for the posters. Okay, what you have to do first or what you have to do the last. General instructions are there. Okay, They must always be made keeping a target audience in the mind for whom you are preparing, for the general public, for the age people, for the girl child, okay, save girl child, that is addressed to bring awareness among the society, not to save the girl child, okay. So likewise, you must prepare the poster according to whom you are preparing, keeping the target audience in your mind. Now points to remember. Which points you should remember? Use one full page. You have to make use of the full page. You cannot make use of a portion of the page, okay. Put the poster in a box. Use catchy slogans or captions depending upon the subject of your poster. Theme should be clearly stated and highlighted. Mention date, time and place if you are preparing the poster for particular event. So when this event is going to be held, at what time, at what place, so that also you need to mention. Should carry your message, appeal, awareness, invitation or promotion. For what purpose you are making, if it is to convey the message or to making a general appeal to the public or bring awareness or inviting for something or promotion for some goods or particular organization, okay. At the end, must mention the name of the person or organization issuing the poster. Who has prepared this poster? So if any organization is issuing that poster, or if you have prepared, you must mention that at the end, okay. So this is the one thing you must take care of. If you are preparing for any event, then you must mention the date, time and place, and at the last, this is compulsory, you must mention the name of the person or organization issuing the poster, okay. Now you are having these two topics: creating awareness about donating eyes or following the traffic rules, okay. So let's see how you can prepare the topic on these two questions. First is donating the eyes. So it means you want people to donate more and more eyes for the blind people. So you can start with the catchy slogans like donate eyes to give sight. For what reason you are asking? Because it will give sight or vision to somebody else, okay. And then now generate a new vision, new hope, a new preface or public awareness. Now you can write to further motivate the people. After your death, it is useless only, okay, but your eyes will see even if you are no more, okay. So got it, children? With few words how you can express more. So it is related to the topic, it has got the image, it has got the catchy slogans, and it is a kind of creating awareness among the people. So kind of motivation is there, and at the last, issued by General Hospital Bhuj in public interest. Even you can mention the blood eye donation camp or any other organization which is motivating the people for this cause, okay. Or even you can mention your organization, your school name and yourself, okay, at the last. This is the one example. And the second one, this is about following traffic rules. So now how you can motivate the people to follow traffic rules? If you will write you must follow traffic rules and this and that, people may not take note of it. So you have to motivate the people. So how you can do that? You can mention life is precious, means your life is very precious. So now the people might give a thought to it or pay attention to it. Then some of the rules they must follow: stop before stop line, leave zebra crossing for pedestrians, don't jump red light, means when red light is there, okay, even on the Jubilee Circle, take a halt, stop till the time you are getting the green signal, drive in your lane. Many of the accidents are being caused when all of a sudden, without giving indicator, you just change your lane, because the person who is following you does not know what's going on in your mind. So without giving indicator, if you are changing your line, means it will cause the accident only, okay. And ensure that your vehicle pollution level is in limit. Okay, so these are some of the points which you have included. And then who has issued this road safety campaign by Gujarat government? It is up to you. If you want to mention the name of any other organization, you can do that. So you can do that also. So now from our exercise 2 we have done, and 1 is left out, advertising a rock concert, that you have to write. And children, one more thing, many of the students are having doubt, any of the exercise or samples are being given in the videos, that also you have to write down in your notebook. Let it be the letters or the diary writing. Okay, all those topics which are being given as samples in your videos, that also you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and there are 2 samples on the page number 223, that also you note down, or you just make the posters of those 2 topics in your notebook. Okay, so by the time we meet in the next session, be very creative. Okay, and prepare the posters, and do take good care of yourself by the time we meet in the next session. Thank you.